Hey loves, welcome to today's video. It's going to be a home vlog kind of video. We're on the road. Today is a shopping day. We want to get some pieces for the living room as well as the kitchen and other areas in the house. So it's going to be a home vlog for us. I apologize for the bumps and all of that, but we are driving in the car. We're going to make a whole day out of this. We're going to go and get us some breakfast first at our favorite place to get breakfast from, which is Looning. So we're going to go there and have breakfast, and then we're going to go shopping. We're going to stop to IKEA because I really want to check out their curtains and whatnot, but I'll pick you guys back up when we get to breakfast because the road is bumpy. So I will see you guys in a few. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because we have some changes in the house coming up. You guys do not want to miss out. So I'm just here looking at the shelving area because I want to add some shelves in the home, but I'm not quite sure which design I want to go with just as yet. So I'm just looking around, and like y'all didn't know, I was going to touch this black one. I love black. So I'm just looking at options because I'm not sure if I want a black with some kind of metal or just an all sleek black look, like wood look, but stay tuned for that. We've already updated our kitchen. If you guys didn't watch that video, we bought a new stove. We've already updated our kitchen, but I just love the look of a gas stove. So maybe later on in the future, we will update our kitchen to gas because to me, nothing cooks better and looks sleeker than a gas stovetop. More updates that we will probably talk about later on down, but this black quartz or marble look with wood, absolutely love it. It looks so sleek and modern. And these stove tops that they have here, this is actually the what is it, the vent that's in the center of the stove. So when you're cooking, all of your steam goes down into the vent. It's so cool, and it just looks so neat and so sophisticated. Absolutely love that. So like I said, some updates will be shared with you guys later on in the near future.
Eine zweite Shop für jeder. Brauchst du so technisch einen zweiten Shop?
So we are back home. I want to go over everything that we got. We didn't get too much, but I want to go over everything before the sun goes down because it keeps going in and out. So if you guys see the light keep changing, that's because the sun is going in and out, and I didn't feel like pulling out my ring light. I apologize. But from IKEA, we went to IKEA, Yusk, and Tome. Tome is a like DIY Baumark kind of store. Baumark is, I can't remember the word right now in English, but we did go there as well, and we didn't find anything in Tome. Well, we did find some outdoor stuff, but I'm gonna leave that for a later date to discuss with you guys. But from IKEA, we got this frother cup. Anyway, it's what you put under your machine because we needed one for our big machine for when we're frothing our milk, because we like nice warm milk when we're using the machine, or the coffee just gets too cold too quickly. So we got that from IKEA, really affordable, inexpensive. We also got another handheld little mixer thingamajigger, whatever you call this, I can't remember what you call it. We got one of these because the one that we had, it stopped working. We changed the batteries over and over, but it just stopped working. We still have the stand for that one, so hopefully this fits it. The bottom looks a little different, but hopefully it fits it. So we just got that, and this was very affordable as well. I think this was, any prices on these? I think it was €1 something. It wasn't much. We also got this nice huge quiche bowl or quiche pan. Absolutely love this. If y'all are not new here, y'all know I love to cook, so this will be getting used really often, and you can use it for more than just quiche. You can use it for a serving pan. You can use it as decor if you want to use it in your kitchen for some kind of decorative piece. You can do a lot with this. You guys know I like to use my pieces for a lot of different things, always multiple uses, but I am definitely going to be making a quiche really soon, and I'll probably share that with you guys when I do. You guys know. I also got some candles, these little lemon and eucalyptus candles from IKEA as well, and these are for the bathroom because I like to use a lemon scent or a fresh scent in the bathroom. To me, that just works better than the very expensive scents in the bathroom. I do have the nice hand washes, but for candles, when you're doing your thing, that's quite fine. We also got a couch table from IKEA, and it's really big, so I'm not going to try to show you guys the box, so I'll just put a clip up of it. And I was just sick and tired of asking my husband to hand me my drink from the coffee table while I sit in that certain position in the corner of the couch. So we just got a nice couch table so that I wouldn't have to nag him so much with getting my drink, handing me my drink, placing it back on the table. So that has been working out really well for us. I will definitely show you guys it all put together, and that was also really affordable. We also went to Globa's Bauhaus, and we got some curtain rods. This looked really dark in the store, but now at home it looks great. It looks like a pipe, but it's really heavy. and we just wanted something a little different than the black. We have so much black through the house, so we want to grab this instead. So I'm going to put it up, and if I don't like it, then I guess I don't know, but we're going to use that instead. And for curtains, the last thing we got is the curtains that we're going to be changing out, and we got it in a nice gray color. I wanted some blackout curtains because you guys are going to notice really soon when I start to show you a little more of the backyard that we lost privacy on this side of the house where this window usually is covered by that wall. So because we lost privacy, I wanted to go ahead and get some blackout curtains. And so that is it for the haul. Very short, very sweet. Come back soon because we're going to go ahead and make over the living room area, just to, just give it a little facelift, and also to, comply with all the other changes that's happening around the home. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, Auf Wiedersehen.